Welcome to SentinelIQ, an AI-powered market intelligence platform covering stocks, crypto, commodities, and Forex, all in one place. Whether you have never bought a share in your life or you trade every day, SentinelIQ is built for you. In this walkthrough, we will take you through every part of the platform, step by step. Let us start at the beginning, getting your free account. Go to SentinelAdvise.com and click Register. You get 10 free credits just for signing up. No credit card, no commitment. Enter your full name. SentinelIQ will greet you personally every time you log in. Your email address is used to send your verification link and any important account updates. We never spam. Choose a secure password. Your account and forecast history are private to you. Notice the 10 free credits banner. These credits let you generate 10 AI forecasts immediately across any of the 4 platforms before you spend a cent. Click Create Free Account. Your account is ready in seconds. SentinelIQ immediately sends a verification email to your inbox. This confirms your email address is real and keeps your account secure. Open your email and look for a message from info@Sentineladvise.com. Check your junk folder if you do not see it within a minute. Click the big orange Verify My Account button inside the email. This one click activates your account and loads your 10 free credits. That is it. You are verified. You will be taken straight to your personal dashboard. Welcome to your SentinelIQ dashboard. This is your home base. Everything you need is one click away from here. At the top of the dashboard is your credit balance. You start with 10 free credits. Think of each credit as one AI-powered analysis of any asset you choose. Below that, your activity stats, how many forecasts you have run this month, your reward credits, and the total value of intelligence you have generated. These 4 tiles are your platforms. Sentinel Core for stocks, crypto, commodities, and Forex. Click any tile to enter that platform instantly. Let us start with Sentinel Core, global stocks. This is where most investors begin. Click the tile to open it. At the bottom of your dashboard, your favorites. As you star assets inside each platform, they appear here with live prices updating automatically. A quick overview of everything you are watching. Tip: if any part of the screen looks too small, hold Control and scroll your mouse wheel up to zoom in. Scroll down to zoom back out. Welcome to Sentinel Core, your global stock market command center. Stocks from 10 countries, 14 exchanges, all in one screen. On the left is your asset browser. Stocks are grouped by country and exchange, so you can find JSE stocks, NYSE stocks, London or Frankfurt stocks quickly. At the very top, the Hot Picks section. These are stocks that the platform has identified as having strong momentum or news catalysts. Nvidia is there because of AI chip demand. Tesla for its volatile but tradable swings. See the star button next to each stock? Click it to add that stock to your favorites. It then appears on your main dashboard with a live price. Nvidia is already starred here. Click any stock to load it. Here we have Apple selected. The chart and all its data loads instantly on the right side of the screen. The price chart shows Apple's price movement over time. The orange line climbing upward tells you the stock has been rising. You can view 1 day, 1 month, 3 months, or 1 year of history. The data underneath, $192.40, up 0.8%, is pulled live from Yahoo Finance. This is real market data, updated every 15 minutes during trading hours in each country's local time. The panel on the right shows you everything about the stock: open price, daily high and low, volume, market cap, the price-to-earnings ratio, dividend yield, and the 52-week trading range. These are the numbers professional traders look at every day. Think of the price-to-earnings ratio like this. If a company earns $1 per share and the stock costs $30, the ratio is 30. A lower number might mean the stock is cheaper relative to its earnings. Apple's ratio of 30 is normal for a large tech company. Now click AI Forecast. This is where SentinelIQ becomes something no chart alone can give you. an actual opinion, backed by data from one of the world's most advanced AI systems. Claude returns a BY signal with 84% confidence. That means the AI analyzed the price history, the company's financials, market conditions, and global sentiment, and concluded this stock is likely to go up. Underneath the signal is a full written analysis. Plain English, no jargon. It tells you why it is a buy, what the price target is, and exactly what risks could make it go wrong. Read this before you make any decision. Each forecast uses 1 credit. You now have 9 remaining. Credits never expire, so if you buy a pack today and only use half, the rest are still there next month. Before we go into the other 3 platforms, let us talk about something important. Where all this data comes from and why it is accurate. Yahoo Finance gives us live stock prices. They cover NYSE, NASDAQ, the Johannesburg Stock Exchange, London, Frankfurt, Tokyo, Sydney, and more. This is the same data source used by financial professionals worldwide. CoinGecko provides crypto prices. They aggregate data from hundreds of exchanges to give you the most accurate market price for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and 80 other coins. We also pull live spread data from Binance directly. Stooq provides commodity prices, gold, silver, oil, natural gas, wheat, and more. These are real spot prices, meaning what traders are actually paying right now in the physical or futures markets. Frankfurter uses the European Central Bank's official daily exchange rates. These are the gold standard for Forex data, the same rates banks use to set their own currency prices. All of this data flows through SentinelIQ's own server, not through slow public services, and straight to Claude AI, which synthesizes it into your forecast. Fast, private, reliable. Now let us go through each of the remaining 3 platforms in detail. Welcome to Sentinel Crypto. If you have heard of Bitcoin but are not sure how it all works, this is the place to start learning and tracking the market. Crypto is organized by category, hot picks at the top, then layer 1 blockchains like Ethereum and Solana, DeFi tokens, and meme coins like Dogecoin and Pepe. Bitcoin is the world's first and largest cryptocurrency. Think of it like digital gold, a limited supply of 21 million coins, no government controls it, and people buy it as a store of value or to trade price movements. The right panel is unique to SentinelIQ, the live arbitrage radar. It shows you the price of the same coin across 3 different exchanges simultaneously. See how Bitcoin is $67,195 on Binance, but $67,310 on Uphold? That is a 0.17% gap. Arbitrage means buying on the cheaper exchange and selling on the more expensive one, pocketing the difference. The radar finds these opportunities for you automatically. Important, always factor in exchange fees of 0.1 to 0.5% per trade. The gap needs to be bigger than your fees to be profitable. The radar shows you the gap. You make the call. Welcome to Sentinel Commodities. Commodities are physical things that the world needs. Gold, oil, wheat, copper. Their prices move on global events in very direct ways. Commodities are grouped into 4 sectors: precious metals, energy, agricultural, and industrial metals. Each sector behaves differently, depending on what is happening in the world. Let us look at gold. Here is something every new investor should know. When the world is scared, war, inflation, banking collapses, people buy gold. It is the oldest store of value in human history. That is why it is called a safe haven asset. The AI gives a hold on gold. Read the analysis. It explains the Russia-Ukraine war is keeping safe haven demand high, but a pullback from record highs means now is not the ideal entry point. This is the kind of context a human analyst would give you. The sector snapshot on the right shows you which commodity sectors are performing this week. Agricultural is the best performer, up 1.9% on average, because of the ongoing conflict in Ukraine disrupting wheat exports. War affects food prices globally. This is exactly the kind of connection SentinelIQ helps you make. Welcome to Sentinel Forex. Forex, short for foreign exchange, is the market where currencies are traded. It is the largest financial market in the world, with over $7 trillion traded every single day. A currency pair shows you the relationship between two currencies. Euro-USD at 1.0842 means 1 euro buys 1.0842 US dollars. When that number drops, the dollar is getting stronger. When it rises, the euro is strengthening. As a South African, currency movements affect you directly. A stronger dollar means your rand buys fewer dollars. So imports cost more, foreign holidays cost more, and products priced in dollars become more expensive. The AI gives a sell signal on Euro-USD, meaning it expects the dollar to strengthen further against the euro. The analysis explains why, in plain English, the U.S. economy is outperforming Europe, and the Federal Reserve's high interest rates are attracting global money into dollars. The carry trade radar shows you an advanced strategy used by professional traders. You borrow a currency from a country with very low interest rates, like Japan at 0.1%, and invest in a country with high rates like Australia at 4.35%. You pocket the difference. SentinelIQ calculates the best carry trade opportunities for you automatically. That is SentinelIQ, the complete AI-powered market intelligence platform. 4 platforms covering every major market, 5 real-time data sources, 1 AI engine built on Claude Sonnet by Anthropic. Register free at SentinelAdvise.com. Your 10 free credits are waiting. No card, no commitment. Start making smarter decisions today. Thank you for watching. SentinelAdvise.com.